So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 30, 40, $50 every single day using Binance spot trading. Now, the amount of money you are going to make is always depend on you. Now, the time you are going to give in, the analysis you are going to be doing, at the time you are, it's going to depend on the time you are going to be giving it, the time, the analysis you are going to be doing, and your strategy. How much is your strategy going to be making you? So, ladies and gentlemen, before wasting time, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Jibril, and on this channel, I do really show how you can make money online. And also, one of the best ways that we do make money online on this very channel is using crypto trading. So, today I'm going to show you how you can do spot trading. And without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Now, this is the homepage of my Binance. This is the homepage of my Binance. If yours doesn't look like this, then you have to go and update your Binance account. So, this is your Binance app. This is my homepage of Binance. So when you check down here, you can see trade. So what you're going to do in order to come and access what we are talking about, you're going to come down here and you see what is being called trade. So you're going to click on trade. And when you click on trade, you're going to come straight away to this very spot. I think you can see it should be selecting spot trading. You can see spot trading above there. But before spot trading, you have convert, you have margin, you have faint, and you have peer-to-peer. We are not talking about all of that for this very particular video. We are going to talk about spot trading. Now, before going too deep, I'm first going to show you the interface of spot trading. This is how it looks like and what does everything mean. Now, there is this is called the trading pair. Now you can click on that to choose which trading pair that you really want. As you can see that I have chosen the BTC stroke BUSD, but if I click on it, it's going to open an interface like this. Maybe for example, you want to trade Dogecoin against maybe USDT, or Dogecoin against BUSDT. So you just type here Doge. I type here Doge, and then I select Doge. You see the trading pairs that I have. I have Doge USDT, then I have Doge BUSDT. So they are different. Maybe I pick Doge USDT. It's going to open an interface just like this one. I think you have understood that is the trading pair. So you can see this percentage that you are seeing beside here. It is the change in price. Maybe the price of Dogecoin in the past 24 hours, maybe in the first few minutes. Of course, it changes every single minute because the prices are really, the cryptocurrency is volatile, and that's why we trade them, because the prices go up and down. So the prices, the change in percentage will be really shown there. You can easily be seeing the change in percentage. But before that, let me also introduce to you this section here. Now, this is going to be one of the most important section for you. Now, if you want to see the graphs that you always see, analysis, do your analysis as you do always do when you're going to trade, you're going to click on this candlestick. If you want to really see the candlestick analysis, you click on it, and this is the interface that it will show you. So this is the interface that you will click on. That's candlestick to receive these candlesticks, but more about that later on. We are still on the interface. Now you can see this end thing here. It looks like an N, but when I click on it, you can see the interface that it is opening. So this one's the trading strategy, and that is a spot grid. Spot grid is like a robot on Binance that can help you. Just set it up and helps you to trade. So this is a grid, spot grid, that you can also use. But more about that, I have a video that I made about Binance robot. It is on my YouTube channel. You can check the link in the description below. It is there. You just go and watch that video. You enjoy it. So there are these three dots here. These three dots. When you click on those three dots, they are going to open an interface like this. Now on this interface, it's where you can click on transfer. If in case you didn't have money in your spot wallet, you can click on deposit, comparing markets. There are a lot of things that you can do here, but of course my most important one that I really take here, if you are new, you can come to tutorial here, and they're going to be teaching you, Binance is going to be teaching you all some of the few things you are supposed to know before you can start any spot trading. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have a Binance account, of course this is one the most important, like the biggest exchange in the whole world. Just by market value, just click the link in the description below. The first link in the description below will take you to opening a Binance account that can allow you to get trading. It can allow you to get trading bonuses. That very account, when of course you get it. Of course, I'm a Binance affiliate, and when you do that, you'll be getting trading bonuses. Now here you can see this section here. Let's look at this section. Now this section is the buy and sell section, where you can place your order section. So these are section, when it is on buy like this, it means you are going to place a buy. You are going to buy Dogecoin. Maybe when I click on sell here, when I click on sell and I change it to, it becomes red. Now I'm selling. So you can can see that on sale here, I can also set all these other things. But let's first go into details what we are going to see. When you click, I've clicked on buy, but of course you are going to see this second part is called the limit. Now, what is the limit? Of course, when I click on this arrow beside the limit here, it's going to show me different orders that I can pick. Now I can pick limit, market order, stop limit. I can pick trail stop. I can see all CO. But of course, the most important one that I normally use, I use mostly the limit and the market price. So I'm going to explain. When you are going to take the market price, when I click on the market price, what does that mean? It means that if I'm to buy Dogecoin, for example, here, if I am say that I'm going to buy Dogecoin of $4, if I click on buy Dogecoin right now, I'll be buying on the market price. So this over here, by the way, above here, this is an order book. The people who are selling, they're showing you different people who are selling. Then down here, the people who are buying. So the green representing the people who are buying. This section here is just showing you how the trades are going on the market. People who are buying, these ones are people who are selling, these ones are people who are buying. And let me hope I've explained that. So in between here, where you are seeing this is the actual price of that particular time, that particular second you are watching. So what you do, if you have picked market, if you have really picked market, it means that when I put that I'm going to buy four of them, it means 4 USDT. It means I'll be buying at exactly that particular price that is being shown at that particular time. But of course, you can choose to put your own price that you'll wait up to when it reaches. So that is the second option that I want to talk about. That is the limit. Now, when you have the limit, you can put in this price. For example, you can see that right now the price is changing very fast, but of course, you can see that 0.0877 as you can see. But you can say that I want the price to first drop to 0.86 and then I buy. So you can come here and you put in your own price that I want to buy this at 0.866. Maybe I want to buy at that price. So it means it is above that price. I want to buy at that price. And then after that, you can put the amount of Dogecoin, or you just put the amount of USDT that you want to use. Now, I did explain the trading pairs. What does the trading pair mean? The trading pair actually means that you are trading the first one. You are trading the first one against the second one. So you are trading Dogecoin against USDT. So when I pick Bitcoin, let me pick Bitcoin BTC. BTC BUSDT. So when I pick BTC USDT, it means that I'm trading BTC alongside BUSDT. Let me hope you can easily understand that I'm trading BTC alongside BUSDT. So it means the most important thing, or what I'm really actually trading, I'm actually trading BTC or Bitcoin against. So it means I'm using BUSDT to trade Bitcoin. Let me hope you have understood what trading pairs really mean. So this is the price. I was still explaining about limits. So this, for example, you can see this is the current price that is on the market price of BTC. So I can set my limit that okay, it is now 16,525. Okay, now I want to buy when the price drops to 16,000. 500 and maybe 16,500 and let me say 16,520. I pick here, I'm going to put 16,520, so that if the price has already even gone below that, the prices can really change very fast. So let me pick a downer one. Let me pick 15,000. In fact, let me just pick yes. Let me pick that I'm buying at yes. Let me set my price. I'm going to buy at 15. Yes, I was 15. That yes, let me buy it there. So I'm going to buy at 16,515. So I come and put the amount of BUSDT that I want to use. For example, if I want to use 10, I say that I'm going to buy for worth 10. So if I buy worth 10, I'm going to click on buy. If I click on buy like this, the order should be more than 10. I think I placed 10, or I should place more than 10. Let me place 11. So I'm going to click on buy. Of course, on Binance, when you are trading, it has even gone below that. So let me take at. I want to show you something, but the price is really dropping so much. Let me just get the price down up to yes. up to 10. Yes, 10. The price is really dropping so much. So if I click on buy, it is not going to execute that order up to when it reaches 10. So let me click on buy so that we reach, and you see now this order is going to be pending here. This order is going to be pending here up to when it reaches 10, up to when this one reaches 10. So that is the limit. You can set your own limit. So if this one reaches the limit that I had set, of course you can come here. I think it was already sold out because it reached even the limit very, very fast. So you can our order would be seen here, but let me make another one so that you can see the order. My aim is to show you. Let me put it very, very down. Let me put it at 6,500. Actually, let me put it at 6,400, 450, so that you see what I'm trying to say. So I'm buying worth 10. So I click on buy. So let me buy 11. Worth 11. So when I click on buy, you are going to see the order is going to be down here. So it will be waiting for this price to drop up to that particular price. So that is the difference between a limit and the market. So how do you analyze? That this is the price I want to use, this is not the price I want to use? Now I'm going to show you how traders really analyze. Mostly when you're analyzing, what they do, they come to this candlestick pattern here. They come to the candlestick and they open. This is the interface of the candlestick. Now this candlestick, there are very many methods that are used, and one of the popular methods that traders use is called indicators. They use using indicators, but of course I want at this time to warn you that when you are trading, not all trades are going to be successful, or not all you are going to make profits from all trades. Trading is really risky. Therefore, you should learn how to manage your risk when you are trading. So you can buy an asset and the price goes down, and you can buy an asset and the price goes up. So if you buy it and the price goes up in spot trading, you are going to be making profits. But if you buy and the price goes down, you are going to be losing in value. You have not made a loss, but you are losing in value. So when you sell it when the price has gone down, then you have made a loss. But of course, the good thing, what I love with the spot trading, is that when the value, if you buy an asset and the value drops down, you can wait for it up to when the price comes up. You cannot lose your coins. Your coins are already there, only that you can lose the value. The coins can lose value, but you be able to keep those coins up to when the price comes back, and you sell them, and then you'll be in profit. So let me hope you have understood what I'm trying to talk about. So when we come here, what are the most popular methods that really they use? Okay, just to introduce to you this graph. This is called the candlestick graph. So you can see those are the different candles. This green candle really shows that an order. These candles, they represent timelines. You can see that for this particular one, I'm using a 4-hour candlestick. You can use 1 hour or 15 minutes. You can use 1 day. But when you click on more here, you can see that there are very many different. You can even have candlesticks representing 1 month. So it means, what does this mean? It means that if I click on 1 hour, it means that each candlestick, when I click on 1 hour, there I've opened a 1 hour candlestick. It means that each candle that you are seeing here, it is representing 1 hour of trading. Now, 1 hour of trading, what does this mean? It means that this green means that in that very hour, the price dropped down. Of course, the red, the red is meaning the price dropped down. In that particular hour, the opening price was here, and then the closing price was here. It means the price dropped down. And then the green, what does this mean? So this particular green means that the opening price, the market opened at that particular price down here, and then closed above. So it means the price increased of that particular hour. So you should be able to at least look at these candles. We shall explain most of them maybe in other videos, but in this video I want to make it very short. Let me talk about only indicators. Now, to access your indicators, you are going to be, you can see down here, I have different types of indicators. The indicators that Binance is giving me are down here. I have a lot of indicators. What is active is volume and moving average. So today because of this video, I don't want it to be long. I'm going to talk about only moving averages. So here I'm having an indicator that is called the moving average. Now, when you get to your moving average, this is it. This is my moving average down here. Let me hope you are seeing it. It is active. That is my moving average. So when you're So how do you activate your moving average? Are you seeing this up here? Are you seeing that up there? So that's what you click on. When I click up there, you're going to see that on this other side, I have indicators. I have indicators here that I really choose on. So I click on indicators, and when I click on indicators, the first indicator here is moving average. So I'll pick that moving average indicator. Now you can see that I picked the value of 7, I picked 50, and I picked 200. So here on this other side, you can pick the colors of different moving averages that you can use. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after that, you'll click on confirm to confirm the moving averages that you are using. Now, when you come back to your graph, you can see, you can analyze that when the moving averages, like for example the 200 moving average here, when it is down, when the price is above the 200 moving averages, you can find that the trend is going down, the trend was going down. So you can use that analysis to enter into the market, and this is how you see that when the moving average, this particular moving average, was down, the price was in an uptrend. When they met up here, the price came to downtrend. So you can use that to really pick which entry points that you are going to enter in and which exit point you are going to be using. Ladies and gentlemen, let me hope this video has helped. But for more questions about, of course, spot trading, when you want the best spot trading platform is, of course, Binance. This is the one that I've been using. The link is in the description. The first link in the description is the link to Binance. Open up a Binance account with that link so that you get trading bonuses. You are going to be given money that you can start with for trading if you use that very particular account. So, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the presentation. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer it. And if you really want me to help you so much, to coordinate so much, please, we really share valuable information on my Telegram channel. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. I'll be able to meet you there. Thank you so much. I've been Jibril. See you in Telegram.